Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the reasons your product is struggling on Amazon. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, let's talk about why your product might be struggling on Amazon and what you can do about it. We all know that getting a product to gain traction in the marketplace isn't always easy, and even more so when you're dealing with niche or high-ticket products. One key challenge is often identifying the right audience. Sometimes the customers you think would buy your product may not be the ones searching for it on Amazon. So it's really important to ask, are you reaching the right people? For example, if your product is designed for a specific type of rehabilitation or therapy, like a large foam cube for physical therapy centers, are those centers even shopping on Amazon? For B2B products, the marketplace isn't always the first place professionals look. And when the product is something new to the market, the hurdles get even higher. This could mean trying to capture attention in a category where the buyers are unfamiliar with your solution or simply aren't searching for it on Amazon. In this case, you might need to rethink your target market. Could this product be positioned differently? Maybe a second version could be created to cater to a broader, more consumer-friendly market, such as a similar product for home use or even children's activities. Expanding your market appeal could open doors you hadn't thought of. Another critical point is pricing. High-priced products without a strong customer base or without clear differentiation often face challenges on Amazon. If you're selling something for $70 while competitors are priced significantly lower, like $10 or $20 for a similar product, customers need to understand why yours is worth the extra money. This means your listing should clearly communicate the unique value, whether that's better materials, higher functionality, or an entirely different application. In terms of advertising and promotions, if your ads aren't converting or driving enough traffic, you may want to rethink where you're spending your marketing budget. If the Amazon platform isn't yielding results, perhaps it's time to pivot your efforts elsewhere. Building a website for your brand and targeting those specific users directly, say through cold calling physical therapy centers, could be more effective than continuing to pour money into Amazon ads without returns. You might even consider LinkedIn or industry-specific outreach, although you should be cautious about expecting too much from platforms like LinkedIn for certain niches. It's all about finding the right audience. Finally, when it comes to your product images or packaging, never underestimate how much presentation matters on Amazon. If your product doesn't stand out visually, you'll struggle to get clicks, let alone conversions. It might help to run some A/B tests on your main images to see what resonates more with customers. Your packaging or branding should feel modern, clean, and distinct from competitors. All in all, you may need to look beyond Amazon for success. Whether that means refining your audience, adjusting your pricing strategy, or taking your marketing efforts off platform, there are options. Just make sure you're doing everything you can to connect with the right people in the right way. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.